Hey, hi everyone.
Hello.
I'm Jude, and she's my wife Julie. We would like to share Anne's great experience with you guys.
Yeah, hi, this is Julie, and hey, it's a joyous occasion for us to share our experience with Anne's Kitchen, be it regarding the decoration from the beginning, then followed by the catering, and Mr. Sumesh, who has been associated with the Anne's Kitchen. It was great meeting Sumesh. I just randomly found him from the social media platform, and it was nice to see Sumesh cooperating with us with our ideas, with the way we wanted to go on that day. We wanted our housewarming to be a very special occasion, and then exclusively we were asking Sumesh to give us good ideas from his behalf so that we too come together and collab with his and our ideas, which really worked wonderfully. So
And
much.
especially his flower decoration was awesome. His flower decoration, the whole night the guys decorated the house. The next day it turned out to be a really amazing house, like all the flowers
Artistically
yeah.
done. Yeah, it was nice.
So, and the guests also enjoyed the food that they had. It was very tasty. Everybody, no one said that like, oh, we didn't like the food. It was really awesome. So, and he was very humble and cooperative. Whatever we asked for extra and everything, he never said no. He was always there by our side, cooperating for us. So, for me, it's anytime from now, it's Anne's Kitchen. I'll always opt for him.
Yes, yeah, it was well organized as well. And the guests were really happy the way the things were organized, and there was nothing. There was surplus food actually. It was not insufficient. It was really good, and a lot of varieties. What we saw was in the cuisine. It was amalgamation of both Kerala dishes and Bangalore dishes
Local
as
dishes,
well. Yeah, the local dishes. So it was a nice experience, and people were happy. Our guests were happy to have the food, and they all had good feedbacks. Yeah, feedbacks given by our guests. That is more satisfying. And rest all everything was well organized. It was no complaints. We would like to definitely
No,
go
any
and
last
teach it.
moment hiccups or
Yeah,
all the
yeah,
last
yeah.
moment, any tensions, everything
Yes,
was
yes.
like
Taken care
smoothly
of. Yeah, it was
organized.
taken care by Anne's Kitchen, and a good entertainment for the guests as well. Some
Yeah,
magic
in
shows.
fact, came out with good ideas, like
Yeah. They here organized some competition, so games and all for the guest, where the guests did really enjoyed it. The host, the person, a team of people who had arranged all these games and entertainment, they too were really nice, and it was
good
nice.
experience.
Yeah, it is good. And we do recommend Anne's Kitchen. They have done wonderfully well. Yeah, wonderfully well with regards the celebration. They made it even more special. We felt really happy having them as our catering team, our decorative team.
Our photographers,
Yeah, photographers, especially would like to mention Nishant and his team, who have given us wonderful glimpses of all the captures of the day. So all kudos to Nishant and his team as well. So overall, we would like to really thank Somesh for taking care of every little bit of which included the celebration.
yeah, we don't have to go running around for
Running
all things,
around,
but yeah,
yes.
at one roof, we arranged everything.
Everything, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes.